So I always wanted to convert this chest of drawer into like a dressing table, and my friend gifted me this round mirror on my birthday, and I got this really cute trinket tray for my everyday rings or hijab pins. I got this from the Flying Tiger. These tulips, I got these from Primark, and this was also a gift. And here is a section for my books or notebooks or my journals. Hi guys, welcome back to another vlog. I hope all of you are doing great. Today is 7th of Ramadan and it's 2 p.m. now और मैंने अभी तक कुछ नहीं किया है. So let's make a to-do list. Every other thing in my room nowadays is pink. I'm loving pink color nowadays. Pink was never like my favorite color ever. Like मैं कभी भी शुरू से कोई favorite color नहीं था. Like मेरी लाइफ में ऐसा होता था कि कुछ फेज में मुझे ब्लैक पसंद आ रहा है, कुछ में मुझे येलो है और कुछ में मुझे ऑलिव ग्रीन. हाँ, एक टाइम था जो मुझे ऑलिव ग्रीन बहुत अच्छा लगता था. And I used to get like every other thing in olive green, and we were renovating our house at that time, and my mom just texted me कि अलिशा हमें suggestions दो कि कौन सा कलर हम इस रूम में पेंट कराएं. And I suggested them olive green. और मैंने Pinterest पे भी देखा उसको काफ़ी, और वो अच्छा लग रहा था. It was looking like cool aesthetic kind of vibes. So मेरी mom जो थी उन्होंने, she was like okay. I think the guy who was painting the room, he chose the wrong shade, and it turned out so horrible. And it was so funny, and everyone like जो भी देखने आता था, it was like किसका idea था ये. And my mom was proudly saying कि अलिशा ने suggest किया था हमें. And हम उस रूम को ग्रीन हाउस रूम हम उस रूम को ग्रीन हाउस रूम बुलाते थे, because it was like all green and it was not like a pretty shade of green. It was like so horrible. And अभी भी वो रूम है हमारे घर में, but I think now it looks better because maybe I think we got used to it, या फिर अभी वो थोड़ा faint हो गया तो वो बेहतर लगता है. But at start it was like so bad. एंड so आजकल मेरे ऊपर पिंक फेस चल रहा है और मैं हर दूसरी चीज़ पिंक कलेक्ट कर रही हूँ. लेट्स सी हाउ लॉन्ग दिस फेस लास्ट. Okay, a quick update. This was like a very cute notebook that I got. मुझे ये अच्छी लगी. I got this I think from Poundland, और ये मैंने ली थी. I think it's been like 6 months since I got this. बट मैं इसको आई थॉट कि मैं इसको अपनी टू डू लिस्ट और जो नॉर्मल काम है उसके लिए यूज़ करूँगी. बट नाउ आई रियलाइज दैट आई हैव अ जर्नल एज वेल, द सेल्फ केयर जर्नल. आई डोंट नो इफ इट्स विजिबल और नॉट. सो मुझे चीज़ें इकट्ठी करने का इतना शौक है. लाइक मुझे कुछ भी अच्छा लगता है तो मैं वो ले लेती हूँ, बट आई डोंट रियली यूज़ दैम. So इस journal में I realized there is like a to-do section. So it looks like this. There's like I'm grateful for, and there's schedule option, and there's a to-do list option as well, where you can just decide what you want to do on that specific day. So I'm gonna use these journals from now on instead of this. इसको मैं किसी और काम में use करूँगी. Okay, so this journal is quite interesting. There is one section I'm grateful for. You can write whatever you wanna. There is an option for top goal. Sorry, yeah, there is an option for top goal of your day. Schedule, you can schedule your day, what to do in the mornings, what to do in the evenings. There is a whole section for to-do list, self-care box as well. and a section for water intake as well. There's like 8 glasses of water. I will use this after Ramadan. And there's a meal section as well. You can just write what you ate for breakfast, lunch, or dinner, or what you want to plan to have. And there's an exercise section as well. So I used to hear if you want to organize your life, you need a journal, and now I realize why. Finally, sun is out today. It looks so pretty. I never enjoyed cooking throughout my life. मुझे कुछ खाना बनाने का इतना शौक नहीं होता था. मैंने कभी इस चीज़ को इतना enjoy भी नहीं किया. मुझे बस बेसिक चीज़ें बनानी आती हैं. But nowadays I feel like I should improve my cooking skills and I need to be creative with it. Therefore I just try to experiment different things. और ये चना चाट की रेसिपी मेरे फॉर यू पेज पे मैं ऐसे इंस्टा स्क्रॉल कर रही थी तो मुझे नज़र आई and I thought that I shall give it a try. And I made it and it actually turned out good. I need to make it again. And while recording this, मेरे फ़ोन की flashlight में कोई issue हो गया था and therefore I couldn't capture how gorgeous it was looking. But and I added a lot of anar as well because they gave like a very good taste. And I have not added papri because you will add that at the end so that it doesn't get soggy. And I made these chocolate covered dates as well. But honestly I didn't like its taste. Ramzan jab se shuru hua hai, every other person is trying to make them. And I also tried to make them but they were like too sweet for me, so I'm not gonna make them again.
Allahu Akbar, Allahu Akbar. اللهم رحمتك أرجو فلا تكلني إلى نفسي طرفة عيني وأصلح لي شأني كله. اللهم لا إله
And that's the benefit of writing down a year task of the day, because on that day I finished almost everything that I wanted to do other than just one. So yeah, it's better to write down. At least it works for me.